Whether it's watching blue, rolling waves, or hearing birds chirping in a green luscious forest, there is something so remarkable and beautiful about being immersed in nature. This is the border, Indo-Bangla border. We are going towards Agartala via Mamutia.
Bangladesh, you can see right side. This is Bangladesh border.
It is easy to be swept away with today's technology and fast-paced living, but no matter where you are, nature always has a way to bringing peace to the mind and grounding a person. There is one of the reason out of 100 that we ride cycle twice or thrice in a week, because we wish to know the divine, feel the wind on our face and the warm sun on our hand. This episode of Morning Ride was in the midst of countryside and along the Indo-Bangladesh border road. The demarcation line of two countries is made with barbed wire fencing, but the greenery of both countries are so kind that they allow the birds of either side to fly to their own domain and also offer equal quantity of oxygen for us to breathe fresh. The steering of our cycle finds the innocent little boy walking with full of energy. The wheels of our cycle stopped to see the little girl holding the hands of her mother and walking with endless satisfaction. The life of these people continues without much complaint and demand. Many doubts and complaints about our life disappears when we come across such sweet glimpses of nature and people of the countryside.
Thank you. Talk about birds. I can hear a lot of bird calls.
Yeah.
Is that a bird watcher? I want to hear from Deepak. The bird specifically.
The melodious tune of birds are coming.
Yes.
And the cacophony of frogs.
Yeah.